Hi-ho, this is Kermit the Frog, and I am speaking to you from the studio of that world-famous composer, Mr. Don Music.
I'll never get it up.
He's working on his next big hit song. Pardon me, Don. Don, over here. Kermit the Frog here? Yes, I was wondering if we could hear this song that you're working on.
It's not finished yet. I have to find one last word, but you could hear what I have so far if you'd like.
Oh, well, yes, we'd like that very much.
All right. Well,
Wouldn't
it goes like this.
Okay.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but oh, I'll never get it. Never, no. What is life anyway?
I'm sure I don't know what life is, but, Don, it's certainly a treat just to be able to hear you work, though, you know.
Did you say a treat?
Yes, that's what I said.
Well, that's it. That's it.
That's it?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a treat. There you go. It's beautiful, isn't it? One of my finest so far.
Well, yeah, but, you see, treat doesn't rhyme with, stream. You said, row down the stream.
Of course not.
And,
No,
it's gotta rhyme
never.
with the...
What I need is to find a word that sounds like treat.
That's true.
A rhyme for treat. I've got it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life is but a treat. There you go. All right, treat and street do rhyme.
Yeah, but you see, you don't row a boat down the street. See, there's no water in the street, so that. Don.
Of course, you don't row a boat down the street.
Yeah, are you okay there?
I'll be all right. It's just
It's kind of hard on the head when you do that. You know.
I know.
Yeah.
Wait. I've got it.
Okay.
If you don't row a boat down the street, then row, row, row your car gently down the street.
Car?
Merrily, 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 life is but a treat. There you go. There are cars on the street all the time.
Yeah, but you don't row them. I mean, you don't row a car. Nobody rows a car. You don't row a car. You don't.
Of course. Of course you don't row a car.
You okay there?
But wait.
What?
Drive your car gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life is but a treat. There you go. What do you think?
I love it.
Drive your car gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life is but a treat.
Drive your car.
I said drive your car gently down the street.
Drive your car.
Merrily, 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 life is but a treat.
Merrily, life is but a treat.
Drive your car down the street. Drive it gently down the street. Drive it merrily, 'cause life is but a treat.
It's another instant evergreen from the pen of Don Music.